And automobile sales in India have gone up in January, and major players here are looking ahead with optimism. The Japanese automaker Nissan we are talking about here today, and is one such company that after facing a difficult time like others is banking on initial success of its compact SUV Magnite in the Indian market. How was the year 2020 so far for the company, and what is the outlook on the year ahead? To talk all that and much more today, we are joined by Mr. Rakesh Srivastava, MD of Nissan Motor India. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Srivastava. My first question to you is, how was 2020 for you?
The 2020 was a year of pandemic, a very, very challenging year. And in a challenging year where visits to the showrooms were minimal, right, customers had their own concerns, although we ensured every kind of safety by way of ensuring the process, the protocols, the resources at our channel partners. But there were challenges. And in these challenges, bringing in a brand, launching a new product was a big, big challenge. But I'm happy to state that the plant, the R&D, various functionals, teams came together. And with the support of our vendors and dealers, we were able to bring in the all-new Nissan Magnite.
My next question to you, Mr. Srivastava, is how did you deal with difficult times of 2020? How was the year actually?
The Indian auto industry, why the Indian industry? The entire company and the entire country faced a very, very unprecedented situation. Imagine in the month of April, the entire auto industry in India had zero production and zero sale. An auto industry which contributes almost 7% to the GDP, employs directly or indirectly something like 3.2 crores of people. 15% of the GST collection is from the auto industry. Such an industry had zero sales, zero production. Yes, the auto industry in India is an industry of resilience, is an industry of positivity, is an industry of innovation. And I would say the same for Nissan as well. We took this challenge and we engaged with our customers, our channel partners. We supported our channel partners, and we ensured that even the suppliers and the manufacturing units of ours were kept very, very safe in terms of managing all the protocols on the safety. Yes, it was a challenge, an enormous challenge.
And how does the future look like to you now? Because right now the sales are good, but going forward, will you be able to sustain this performance? What about the future?
To me, I see that the coming year would be a year of positivity. We've had challenges in the year 2020, but the auto industry has responded very well in terms of positivity, in terms of showcasing the resilience, bringing in innovation. Take example, even for us, when we launched the product, we knew that there will be many customers who would be taking time or would be wanting to see the product at the safety of their place because of certain thoughts that they have in their mind in terms of the safety part. Towards this, we brought in physical plus digital. We created the virtual showroom for the all-new Nissan Magnite, online booking, online service, in fact, even a test drive experience in the virtual world. So going forward, I see for the entire auto industry, a beautiful time to come in. I see a positivity. I see a double-digit growth for the auto industry, and 2021 would be a landmark year for the Indian auto industry. And so also for Nissan, where we see a lot of customers enjoying the Nissan product.
And please tell us about the response to SUV Magnite. Well, you have a lot of ambitions with this Magnite. It's doing very well in the market also. Also, tell us about the overall response.
Happy to state that the response for the all-new Nissan Magnite, the big, bold, beautiful, the charismatic SUV has been phenomenal. The customers have loved it. And that's the reason in the first 5 days of the launch, we launched the product on the 2nd of December. We had 5,000 bookings. And on 17th, after 15 days, 15,000 bookings. And at the month end, we had 32,800 customer bookings. It shows that yes, The all-new Nissan Magnite was loved by the customer and the trust of the customers in the Nissan brand. Overall, we are happy to state that we have what we call is a charismatic SUV, which the customers on the first look, right, love it.
So here we are talking to Nissan MD, Mr. Rakesh Srivastava. Market is tough, but company is trying hard. Overall, Indian automakers, they have registered 11.9% growth last month. They're hopeful this will continue. It's a year of hopes for Indian auto sector like other places in the world. India's auto market is clearly hopeful for this year. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.